Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, setting the world record for the longest hiccuping spree ever recorded. Imagine the daily struggle of enduring an involuntary spasm every few seconds, transforming a simple hiccup into a lifelong challenge. Starting suddenly in 1922 while attempting to weigh a hog, Osborne's hiccups persisted through everyday life, from meals to conversations, and even sleep. Doctors were baffled, unable to cure or even fully understand the cause. Yet, despite this relentless condition, Osborne lived a full life, showing extraordinary resilience and adaptability.